Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a simple Visual Basic.NET program that will ask the user to give a number, and then our program will check whether the given number is an odd or even numbers in Visual Basic.NET. Before we continue, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in our comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more video tutorial. So let's get started. We have here a form. We have here form 1. So what we will do is to create a title. For example, add and even number checker in VB.NET. Press the enter key. So in this form, the add and even number checker in VB.NET will act as a title of our program. The next step that we will do is to go to our text box. In our text box, we will select label. Okay, so we have here, let's say for example, give a number. It will ask the user to give a number. We can make some adjustment on the size of the font. So let us go in the properties and click. So right now the default font is Microsoft Sans Serif. So we will select regular, and then we will make the font size is 12, much bigger. After we are through with this, next is to go to the text box object and click and drag. So go to the font, we have to uniform it to size 12. Next, we will have a button. Click the button, paste here. Okay, so next we will have the text. Say check, and then we go to the font. This time we make the font style bold, and then the size is 12. Copy and paste. What we will do is we will have here clear button, copy and paste. We will create the third text box, and then this one is quit, to quit the program. In the quick button, you can put a very simple end command. Go to the design, and then let us move down all the buttons. Next, we can have a text box. Text RST. Click for the display. We make it much longer. Okay, so the next step is to adjust the size of the font. Let's say for example 12, much bigger. Okay, move. Let us move. Okay, next, in the check button we double click, and then we will create the logic of our program. So let's say for example dim a as integer. We will using if statement. If a val we convert to digital to numeric format, text 1 point text. If a mode 2 equal 0. Mode is modulus to check if there is a remainder by 2. If it is equal to 0, then text box to point text equals the given number, the number a is an even number. Okay, else copy, instead of even we will have odd number. Else if and if. Okay, let us check now. So we have here the formula for checking if the given number has a remainder or not. So if there is no remainder, it is considered as even number. If there is a remainder, it is an odd number. So let us run to check. 4 definitely the number 4 is even number. Check, the number 4 is an even number. Okay, let us go back to our design view. Double click the clear. So what we can do is text box 1 dot text equals blank, so that it will clear. Text box 2 blank, and then text box 1 point focus. Okay, so we have already to clear now. So let us run again our program. Let's say 5 is considered as odd number. So check, the number 5 is an odd number. Clear. We can give another number. 6 is considered as even numbers. So the number 6 is an even number. Clear. If we click the quit button, it will terminate our program and then it will return to our code. So as you can see, the private sub button here is for the quit button. It will end the program execution. This portion is for the compute button. So if a or text box 1 dot text modulus 2 equals 0, meaning there is no remainder, it means that the given number is even numbers. Else if there is a remainder, it is an odd number. This portion is for the clear button. It will clear the text box and then it will have a focus so that we can give another value. So we run the program one last time. Let's say 10. Let us check. 10 is considered as even number. Clear. 11. 13 is an odd. The number 13 is an odd number. So this is it. So we have done already creating a program in VB.NET or Visual Basic.NET. Add an even number. So our program, it will ask the user to give a number, and then it will check whether the given number is an odd or even number. If you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment section in our video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more video tutorial videos. Until next time guys, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye for now.